So welcome guys. By the way, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and do not forget to share. By the way, so let's quickly do a quick analysis on our foreign stock market. On this channel we analyze our forex market and our stock market. Once again, don't forget to subscribe. So now our quick analysis is that we'll be looking at our Nasdaq 100. First one we'll be looking at, we can see our prediction was actually right. Those of you that watched my video about last week, when I said that our prediction will actually be falling, some are predicting that our price will actually be rising, but my prediction was right that our price will actually be falling for this week, which our price has actually falling. You can see that our Nasdaq actually pushed up. I think our price was around, was pushing up around, that Monday. Then on that, Tuesday, we actually now start having that fall, which we added that massive fall down. So by the way, we are still for this week. Our prediction is that our price will actually still fall. Take out this our liquidity area. We are still going to see that fall. Take out this our area that I've just marked, which is about 13,061. 13,061. That is what we are looking for our Nasdaq to actually fall. Then we can actually now see that push up. That is exactly what we'll be aiming for this week. You can see that our price has reacted here. Our price reacted here. Definitely our price is coming down here to react. So that's why I said we should actually be taking our sell for this week. Come down here before we can actually now opt out and take our profits by this area. So those of you that want to continue shorting it, then there is no problem. Those of you that want to now take your buy up, there is no problem. But my prediction is that our Nasdaq will actually fall to this our area here. Then it is now up to you to actually now take it up or continue selling it downward. So above all, our Nasdaq is actually going to be falling for this week. Then probably our price will now start rising, or it will continue to fall down. But I believe it will, when it falls to around this our area here, then we shall actually now continue to see that rise for our Nasdaq 100. Now our next one is our S&P 500. Like our prediction last week, our S&P will be falling, and we are actually going to be seeing that fall to around this our area here. Let me mark it this our area here. So that's it. Before we can actually now see that push up, or if you don't see that push up, then we can actually now see that retracement and continuous push down on our Nasdaq 100. But above all, we are actually going short on our S&P 500. Sorry, S&P 500. We should actually be going short on our S&P 500 to our area here, our liquidity area here. Then we can actually now opt out and take our profits, come out on our S&P 500. Exactly what we are aiming for this week. And you see our daily time frame is actually still showing us a bearish move. Our 4-hour time frame is actually showing us a bearish move. It do not, at least there should not be any problem if we wait for retracement, then continue push down, which I think we might be getting that retracement on Monday, whereby our price will start pushing up. Then we'll actually now see that good massive fall on our S&P 500 on our 1-hour time frame. Our 4-hour time frame. On our 1-hour time frame too, is still bearish. So our daily to 1-hour time frame is actually bearish. So let's also go bearish on it by trading what we see and not what we think. And our next one we have is our Wall Street 30. Definitely our Wall Street is actually still going to be falling. We are actually going to be seeing that for, unfortunately, a very huge massive fall down to use our liquidity area. At least our 33,032, at least that area there, or about our 33,000. That's exactly what we should be aiming for on our Wall Street 30. On our daily time frame, is showing us a bearish go move. On our 4-hour time frame, an indication of sell, and our 1-hour time frame still an indication of sell. So definitely we should actually be going for sell. But if you want to hold on a bit, we just don't want to quickly jump in, our advice to actually wait for a pullback. Then that your sell, you can actually not take your sell downward on our Wall Street 30. On our ASX 200, same thing. We're actually going to be seeing a fall. At least our area here. At least if our price manages to break below this one area here, this area that I've just marked about 7315. If my price can break below it, then I'm actually going to be taking a short on my ASX 200 index. If my price can be able to break below it, like I said, I'll be taking my sell position straight downward. So this is my area here, which is about 7139. But before that, let's say our price reacts. There's every possibility our price can come out, push up, that give us that huge push up, take out a lot of traders that are selling. A lot of traders want to start selling, so it might want to push up to take out a lot of traders before we can actually now continue going down on our AS 200. And finally our Nike 225. Good, as you can see, we are still actually shorting on our Nike 225. Let me mark this area. You can see that our price is now reacting to this area. Where do you take our Nike 225? When we go, I think you will actually be seeing that 4. Let's see if our price will actually get that 4 to this our area here, then a push up. But I'll be staying away from this trade, by the way. Personally, I'll be staying away from this our Nike 225. But my analysis is that we'll have a little bit of a fall, then a push up on our Nike 225, have push up, have this retracement here, then a push down. That is exactly what actually is giving us something like a range in this move here. Exactly what I am thinking, or what probably our price will move. So that's our analysis for today. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.